Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make some cute and easy Valentine's decor. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. So for the first project, I'm going to use this metal tin heart from the Dollar Tree. It's in the crafter square section with all the other metal pieces that they carry. This looks like it's a frame of some kind, but I'm going to use it as a little stand. So I'm removing the little holder that it comes with, and then I'm going to attach feet to it. And those feet are just going to be these beads. You could also find those in the Dollar Tree crafter square section. So with some hot glue, let's attach these beads to the bottom of the heart. Now that the feet are attached, I'm going to take this heart ribbon. This is also from the Dollar Tree. You can find it where the floral section is. Now with some hot glue, I'm just going to attach the ribbon to the edges of the heart. So let's continue with this. The next thing I did, I filled the heart with moss, and I'm using these glitter hearts. These are from Michael's. I had these from last year, so I needed something to do with them. But you could find these glitter hearts at the Dollar Tree as well. The moss is from the Dollar Tree, and I just filled the tray completely with it. Now I'm going to lay some of the hearts right on top of the moss without hot gluing them or anything, because they're the glitter will adhere to the moss itself. So let's just place them on top of the heart and continue with this part. Now I'm going to add some baby's breath. This is from the Dollar Tree. You can find it in the floral section. I'm just going to rip them apart and cut them into smaller pieces and add them in between the hearts to add some fullness and to add a different color so it would pop up. Let's continue with this. So now project number 1 is done, and I absolutely think it's adorable. It was pretty quick and easy to do and would fit any Valentine's decor. Now let's get on to project number 2. For project number 2, I'm going to use a styrofoam cone and yarn from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use 2 different colors and intertwine them together. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put hot glue on the base of the cone in order for it to hold the yarn, and then from there I'm going to continue wrapping it around. So let's continue with this part. So now I took the second color yarn, and I did the same thing. I put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just going to keep on rolling it. The only hot glue you have to use is for the beginning of the yarn, and then you can just continue straight from there, wrapping it around the cone. So let's finish this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same heart ribbon I used in project number 1. I have it in 2 different shades of pink, and I'm going to attach it to the beginning or the edges of each of the colors in order to give it a separation. So let's do that, and I'm going to attach it with hot glue. So I attached the ribbons, and I think it looks adorable so far. I'm going to take this heart pick. These are from the Dollar Tree. You can find it where all the Valentine's decor is. They come, I think, 6 to a pack. So I'm going to cut it a little bit, and I'm just going to insert it into the styrofoam with no hot glue because the pick is pretty long and it will hold into the styrofoam. Now project number 2 is done, and I think this cute little Valentine's tree looks adorable, and it was pretty simple to make as well. Now let's continue on with project number 3. For the next project, I'm going to use these felt hearts from Michaels. They're super adorable. They come in different colors. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm going to use a combination of some of the larger ones and the smaller ones in order to create a topiary. Now I'm going to take a barbecue skewer and insert the skewer through the hearts. You can do it from the top or the bottom because you can find an opening with the barbecue skewer. So let's continue. So now that I inserted all the hearts that I needed, I'm going to take these plastic cups from the Dollar Tree, they're in the party section, and I'm going to paint them using folk art paint. One is called Fawn and the other one is Coffee Latte. And I'm going to try and give it a wood look as best as possible. This is a quick project, so I'm not really going to waste too much time on that. So I'm going to combine both of the colors right into the little bowl and just paint. So let's do this. So now I'm going to take some wooden beads. Again, you can get these at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use them as little feet on the bottom of the bowl. So just with some hot glue, I'm going to attach them to the bottom. So let's do this part. So next I'm going to take a piece of styrofoam. It's not floral foam, but it'll do. And I'm going to hot glue the edges and I'm going to insert it to the bowl. This way, that's where we're going to attach the barbecue skewer with the hearts. So I'm just going to put a little hot glue and basically just plop it in there. So let's continue. Now I'm inserting the heart topiary piece into the styrofoam, and I'm going to cover it with some moss. Once I do that, this piece will be done and ready to display. And yes, the moss is from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm adding a little bit of hot glue to the styrofoam and then just putting on some moss on the top. Let's finish this off. So now this topiary is complete, and I absolutely think it looks adorable. I think these projects were pretty simple to make and they looked super cute. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you all on my next DIY.